fan demonstration video. Welcome back to Fan. Hope you having a good quarantine. What up? It's the Russian Fazbear, and welcome back, yes, back, to a ceiling fan demonstration video. Oh, you know, the videos where I buy ceiling fans, install them on my ceiling, I run them, and I ramble about their features and qualifications. Without further ado, wait, hold on a second, wait! Before we run this baby, I gotta show you a close-up, don't I? So this is a brown 52-inch Hunter R&M original with reverse air brackets. There's your reverse air bracket. And of course, the way this works is this pushes into here and the bracket twists to have either a pitch going this way or the other way. So it can go from downdraft mode to updraft mode without reversing the direction of the motor due to the way these things were mounted on a J-hook, which was essentially only one large screw, or lag bolt. Non-logo cap. And as you can tell, the fan was most likely repainted at one point due to that in there being brown and that up there also being brown. There's your canopy, and the top, and the tag. Alrighty. And now, without further ado, let's do that shit! Starting with low, which is more of a medium for R&M originals, but whatever. So, this particular fan has what appears to be some kind of cherry or dark walnut blades, while my other brown reverse air brackets have more of an oak color to them. And of course those belong to that white R&M original that's 3-speed with the isolation ring. And I do really like the look of this fan. It's pretty snazzy and classy. I've always liked the darker colors of the original, like the brown and the black. Though I like the white ones too. Don't take that the wrong way. This fan came 100% complete, which was nice. And even on low, this thing is putting out a really good breeze. Kick it up to high, and I kicked the tripod by accident. And on high, this thing is blowing tons of air. These fans are incredibly powerful, especially the older ones. There does seem to be a slight vibration noise. I'm not really sure where that's coming from, but I'll figure that out later. Relatively well balanced as well. Turn it off, and there you go. This is my 52-inch brown Hunter R&M original ceiling fan. So that's all. So I like you guys. I'll see y'all whenever. Holla at you, boy.